How to fix on-screen keyboard problem. So if you want to fix your on-screen keyboard problem, then first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that search icon, and under search, now you just need to simply search for on-screen keyboard and tap on the on-screen keyboard. Once you tap on on-screen keyboard, now you just need to simply again tap on it, and here you will have your on-screen keyboards. So you just need to simply tap on manage, and here you need to turn off your on-screen keyboards. Disable all of your keyboard. Once you've disabled, now you just need to simply go back and again go back, and you need to go with the apps section. Tap on apps and go with see all apps. Go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then go with show system apps. Go with search. Under search, you need to search for Gboard. Tap on it, and now go with storage and cache, and here you just need to simply go and clear the cache and the storage. Once you've cleared, now you need to restart and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your on-screen keyboard problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.